Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Dell Pro 14 Plus driver. So first you have to come this site www.dell.com, this official website. After that click to support and then click driver and download, and this is a search box to type Dell Pro 14 Plus. So you can see others also showing here. So all the driver download and installations process same. Okay. So select this. If you are using different, so select this. No worry. But driver installations and driver download process same. So after that, you can see this. There are two window to install the driver. First is automatic and second is manual. Manual means specific driver you are facing some issues related the cameras and sound and LAN and Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. So if you need only specific driver you have to update, then you can select this one. Okay. And suppose you are otherwise you are facing some issues and this is automatic means it will check the required driver to your system and then it will install automatically. But select this driver. Okay, yeah, this is your laptop and scroll down the click to categorize, scroll down, find out network and network and ethernet wireless. Okay, so this is a Wi-Fi driver. Okay, 20, this is size, release date. Okay, so click to download. So when you click to download it will start downloading and it will complete in the second. Because of this is 22 MB. If we are using slow internet then it will take some time. Okay, then it is completed, then single click to open and then click to yes for the administrator installations. So this is the two method to install. First is directly you can install. Okay, and second is extract and after that install. So second is if you install from any other way, so this is required set of options. And if you install directly, so select this first and then click to continue. So after that it will start your Wi-Fi driver. Yeah, so your driver is successfully installed and then close it.